from Fox 12 Oregon, this is breaking news.
Good evening and welcome to the 5 o'clock news. I'm Pete Ferryman.
And I'm Nora Hart. We do have a breaking news update to the court cases that could keep the National Guard out of Portland.
A hearing was held today for a federal judge to consider dissolving her previous order to keep the Guard out. But now the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals has stepped in with a new decision.
Fox 12's Ezra Kaplan joins us now to explain the very latest. So Ezra, what's happening?
That's right. The appellate court has now stepped in to the lower court to essentially put a pause on the pause. Now, let's go back for just a minute. On Monday of this week, the appellate court found that the initial temporary restraining order put in by Judge Karen Immergut was not correct. And so they paused that, basically allowing for the Trump administration to move forward with plans for troop deployment. Today, what we're hearing is that same appellate court, but from a larger group of that appellate court, is saying, actually, we're going to pause that pause to give ourselves more time to resolve something called an en banc rehearing, which is the process that they're in the middle of to reconsider, or possibly, I should say, reconsider the decision from Monday. So the big takeaway here is that that court has put what's called an administrative stay in place. That means until October 28th, which is next Tuesday at 5 p.m., nothing can happen with that first temporary restraining order. And in fact, it is now put back in place. What does that mean for us here? Well, it means that all the movement and question of whether or not troops are going to be deployed to Portland, that's all put on pause, at least until October 28th. That's when we're hoping by then the appellate court will maybe have some more clarity, some more information about what their next steps are. Now, that all being said, on October 29th, the very next day, the underlying question, the underlying lawsuit from the state of Oregon and Portland versus the Trump administration, asking a court to find the deployment of troops to Portland illegal, that question goes to trial in front of Judge Immergut here in Portland. So we're going to be following all these moving steps, lots of moving parts. But yeah, we're now seeing an intervention, no troops, at least for the next several days.
Thank you. We appreciate that update just into the newsroom. Thank you so much. Well, in our other big news.